Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm dropping an update for the Wikiomatic plugin. This is a Wikipedia scraper and you will be able to get articles from Wikipedia using this plugin. And today's update will improve the accuracy of the scraped content. So if you want to scrape specific content from Wikipedia articles, then you will be able to do this. So let me show you this feature in action. So for example, let's scrape content about the Florida Wikipedia article. So let's go to Wikipedia Florida article from here. And for example, let's run the plugin as it is, without the new features which you will find here, the content query type and content query strings. So these are the two new features that were added in the latest version of the update, and let's leave their default values unchanged. So let's check our site, it's empty, and let's run importing. So now the plugin will go and will scrape the Wikipedia article and it will import it to our site, and here it is. The full Wikipedia article is scraped and imported to our site. So now let's say I want to grab only a table from this site. For this, I go down. For example, let's say I want to grab this table. I go in a Chrome browser and hit right click on the table and click inspect. Once this will open up for you, highlight the table or the div that is above the table, which highlights here in blue the part that you wish to extract. Right click on it and go to copy XPath. So after you've done this, go back to the Wikiomatic plugin, click settings, and here in the content query type, select XPath, and here paste the selector that you just copied from Wikipedia. Now let's save settings and let's delete the post that was imported. It is removed, and now let's run importing again. So now the plugin will extract exactly the table that it was pinpointed to. So here it is. The table is extracted. So you might need to change some CSS for the table to look 100% well, but it is extracted, and larger cities or towns in Florida will become available now for you on scraped content. Okay, so this is the update for the Wikiomatic plugin. I will link the plugin in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it if you haven't had the chance to grab it until now. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you do, please subscribe to this channel. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.